Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Tor and Proxychains to anonymize yourself in Kali Linux 2021.1. To install Tor, run command sudo apt install Tor in your terminal. Now let's install Proxychains. To install Proxychains, run command sudo apt install Proxychains. To check install version of Tor, you can run command tor -version and you will get the install version number. After installation, run command sudo systemctl start tor.service to enable Tor service in your system. To check whether Tor service is running or not in your system, run command sudo systemctl status tor.service and hit enter, and you will get the active status. To use Proxychains, we need to first configure the proxychains.conf file. With the help of man command, we can locate this proxychains.conf file. And see, this is the required file to us. To edit this file, run command sudo pi and paste the location. And now press I to go edit this file and enable the dynamic chain by removing hash before it. Now disable the strict chain by putting hash before it. It has default Tor proxy. Now let's add new line to it, same as above, but only since we have to make is put socks 5 instead of socks 4. And then save it and exit using command escape :w again : Q, enter. Now run command proxychains -f /etc/proxychains.conf to use this as a default configuration. Now let's run Firefox through proxychain. For this, type proxychains Firefox and see whether it is working or not in my system. Let's search what is my IP. And see country's location shows Iran and IP is shows like this, which is not mine, so it's work. In this way you can run other apps too. So that's it for this video.